Aquaculture is the farming of aquatic organisms such as fish, shrimp, and shellfish. The production of these aquatic organisms involves several biological processes that impact the quality, yield, and safety of these products. In this essay, we will discuss the biological processes involved in the production of aquaculture products. Biological processes in aquaculture production. Hatchery production. Hatchery production involves the breeding and rearing of aquatic organisms in controlled environments. Hatchery production is influenced by factors such as water quality, nutrition, and disease management. The quality and survival rate of hatchery-produced aquatic organisms can impact the success of the aquaculture operation. Larval rearing. Larval rearing is the process by which hatchery-produced aquatic organisms are reared until they reach juvenile stage. Larval rearing is influenced by factors such as water quality, nutrition, and disease management. The quality and survival rate of juvenile aquatic organisms can impact the success of the aquaculture operation. Juvenile rearing. Juvenile rearing is the process by which juvenile aquatic organisms are reared until they reach harvestable size. Juvenile rearing is influenced by factors such as water quality, nutrition, and disease management. The growth rate and health of juvenile aquatic organisms can impact the yield and quality of the aquaculture product. Nutrition and feeding. Nutrition and feeding are critical factors in aquaculture production. Aquatic organisms require specific nutrients for growth and development, and the quality and quantity of feed can impact their growth rate and health. Feeding practices can also impact water quality and waste management in aquaculture operations. Disease management. Disease management is an important factor in aquaculture production. Aquatic organisms can be susceptible to bacterial, viral, and parasitic diseases that can impact their growth rate, health, and survival. Disease management practices can involve the use of vaccines, antibiotics, and other treatments, as well as preventive measures such as biosecurity and water management. Water quality management. Water quality management is a critical factor in aquaculture production. Aquatic organisms require specific water conditions for growth and development, and poor water quality can lead to stress, disease, and reduced growth rates. Water quality management practices can involve the monitoring and management of factors such as temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen, and ammonia levels. Breeding and genetics. Breeding and genetics are important factors in aquaculture production. Selective breeding can lead to the development of strains that have desirable traits such as growth rate, disease resistance, and meat quality. Understanding the genetics of aquatic organisms can also help in the development of more sustainable and efficient aquaculture practices. Reproduction and spawning. Reproduction and spawning are critical biological processes in aquaculture production. Aquatic organisms require specific environmental conditions and hormonal cues to reproduce successfully. Reproduction and spawning can be influenced by factors such as temperature, light, and nutrition.